care about Black women, sit your down. And if you care about legislators and judicial officers upholding your basic rights and freedoms, I need you to sit your down, okay? Grab some popcorn. We're gonna be here for a little bit. Okay, Pookies, it's time to lock in. So what does a state attorney general do? It says that while AGs are and AGs, short for attorney generals, are involved in law enforcement, their role often focuses more on civil litigation rather than local criminal prosecutions, which are typically handled by district attorneys. So cool. But something that they would do, they would act as civil representation, all civil cases, investigate and prosecute criminal activity, particularly regarding environmental law. So now my mind is like, listen. It's really like at alert, because everything that we've been talking about with data centers showing up in Black communities, I need to know what the Attorney General stands for to make sure that you're upholding the environmental law and protecting the citizens, all citizens here in the state of Georgia, okay? So let's get into the candidates. So we are replacing Republican Christopher Carr, and I'm going over Tanya Miller and Robert Trammell. So Tanya Miller is currently a House state representative. I love when there are people who are already serving in office and they're on the ballot for another election, because then I get to see how you voted in the past, right? So for the short version, I'm gonna go ahead and put her stances on the screen here. This is what's listed on her website as the issue she's standing up for. Okay. Oh, some of the things that I definitely wanted to highlight, because I mentioned that she is currently a House representative, I want to talk a little bit about what she has historically, bills that she's tried to sponsor in the past. Those are some of the bills that Tanya Miller has sponsored as a House representative in this current term. And I'm going to go ahead and move on to the next candidate for the Attorney General here. Okay, we're back. Robert Trammell, he is the next candidate for the state attorney general, okay? He too was part of the Georgia House of Representatives representing District 132 from the years of 2015 to 2021. If you want to see more of what Robert Trammell used to sponsor in terms of bills, please go to billtrack50.com. I'm gonna go ahead for the short version. I'm gonna go ahead and put some of his issues that he's running on here on the screen. So those are some of the running points for, he's calling himself on his website Bob Trammell, but if you look him up under Robert Trammell, he'll show up as well. So those are the candidates for the state attorney general. Please make sure that you like, follow, share this post, repost it, because I want to make sure I get all this information as quickly as possible to our good Georgian people so that they can feel equipped in the voting booth this year. All right, I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.